Welcome back. In this video, you'll be learning how to connect your Shokz OpenRun Pro to any smart TV. So the first step is to simply navigate to your Bluetooth settings. So for this LG Smart TV, I'll just go select all settings, select sound, and then choose the sound out. Depending on the smart TV that you're using, this could be slightly different. So just ensure that you've navigated to your Bluetooth settings. So from here, you now want to put your Shokz OpenRun Pro in Bluetooth pairing mode. So first, you want to ensure that they've been turned off. And once you've confirmed that they've been turned off, you want to locate the volume up button and you want to press on it for 7 seconds until you see this indicator light flashing blue and red. So volume up, press 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So as you can see, it's flashing blue and red, which means that it's in pairing mode. So on your smart TV, underneath your Bluetooth device list, you should see your Shokz OpenRun Pro. So as you can see in the device list, my Shokz have appeared. So you want to highlight it and select it to start establishing the connection. Once you've done that, and you can see it says connected, and you can hear your Shokz OpenRun Pro have said connected, then you now want to start listening to audio that's coming from your TV using your Shokz. So just put them on. And then you want to navigate back to the home screen, and you can choose to watch a movie or listen to music using your Shokz. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.